Hi everyone. Today I'm showing a tool I've developed from scratch a long time ago. I just decided to present it to you. It is a tool that is aimed at testing overcurrent relays. Typically what you'd be doing for testing or commissioning an overcurrent relay, you'd test the operating time by injecting twice or 3 times, 5 times or 10 times the pickup of the overcurrent relay that you are testing. So here you can see on the ordinate here you've got the time in second. The abscess here it's M for the multiplier, which is the current you inject divided by the pickup current. So here you've got the operating time that you need to observe for each of these multiples of pickup value. So you've got the formula that you have here and the values for each multiples of the pickup in seconds. On the right hand side, you've got the standards that you can select here for IEEE, US curves, IEC, or UK curve. So if you take, for example, the IEEE curve, you can select, let's go for very inverse. So you can see that the curve is actually changing. You can switch to moderately inverse, the curve changes and the values that you need to observe changes accordingly, and the formula as well for information. You've got as well the time dial that you can change. You can see that all that is updated on the formula and the value that you need to observe. So I can, IEC would be the same thing. You can switch from one to the other. The TMS, which is a time multiplier setting, can be changed as well. It's more of a widget that can be helpful in some cases. You can let me know what your comments are on this tool, whether you see some benefit in using it, maybe in your testing. Let me know in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on another video later.